Hello friends, I am Vivek and you're watching my channel Vivstech. Today I have with me the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, Victorinox waiter, also popularly known as the bartender in many markets. So this is a 84 mm Swiss Army knife with a thickness of 12 mm, and this is one of the minimalist knives which Victorinox has to offer. The retail pricing of the waiter is around 1035 in Flipkart and Amazon. The product code of the waiter is 0.3303. Now if you see, it's basically 84 mm knife with a thickness of 12 mm and weighs around 35 grams. This is a 9-function Swiss Army knife. Let's go ahead with the functions. Here we can see the large blade with the Victorinox Swiss made stainless steel engraved on the blade, and the blade is quite sharp, which can be used to cut ropes and for other camping activities. On the other side we have the combination tool, which acts as the can opener, bottle opener, wire stripper and a 5 mm screwdriver tip. This is auto lock. This has the auto lock function at a 90-degree angle, which helps put more leverage on the can and bottle while opening them. On the other side we have the corkscrew, which can be used to open bottles with corks, the wine bottles, etc. Inside the scales we have tweezers on one end and toothpick on the other end, and this comes with a keychain. So this is basically a 9-in-1 function knife. I have the Victorinox OnePlus edition here. This is basically the Spartan. If you compare both the knives, this is the 91 centimeter knife and this is the 84 mm, 91 mm and 84 mm. So you can see there is a difference of almost 9 mm, and this is basically a 14.5 mm thickness. So when compared on the side basis, you can see Victorinox waiter is quite compact, and this is very ideal for everyday carry because of its thickness and its weight and the minimalist design. So this is quite popular among the waiters, and hence the name the waiter, since it has both the corkscrew opener and the bottle opener. If you do not prefer the corkscrew, Victorinox has another series called the Bantam, which basically comes with the large blade and the combination tool. So here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the waiter and the Spartan. Friends, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, so that I am motivated to make more videos and upload for them to make a decision as to which product to buy. Thank you for watching. See you soon.